Okay, do you all have your answers? Okay, so this is review for tomorrow's test. The first review question that you put on your whiteboard was the vocab word that was the precipitation that is not absorbed by the soil and just flows over the surface of the soil. That is called what? Runoff. If you put runoff, give yourself a little mark on the upper right-hand corner. There are 35 questions on the test, so give yourself a little point. That would have been, you would have gotten that right if that were on your test tomorrow.
Is it?
Number 2, if this were on your test tomorrow, let's see who would get this one right. What is the process in the carbon-oxygen cycle that the animals and the humans go through? The process in the carbon-oxygen cycle that the humans and animals go through. Right? Remember, there's 2 different processes, the plant process, the human-animal process. What is that called? It's kind of a big word. Write that down. I'll give you 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The answer is cellular respiration. Good job. Yes. Give yourself a point. They should have 2 now. If you're not knowing these, the fabulous part of that is you have tonight to study. All right, number 3. What is a source of energy formed from dead plants and animals? A form of energy that comes from dead or decaying plants and animals.
I know this one, but I forgot the word.
I'll give you 10 seconds. The answer is
Nitrogen. Carbon.
fossil fuels.
Whoa, buddy.
Fossil fuels are energy that we take dead, decaying, the elements from decomposing animals and plants, and we use it for fossil fuels. The key in that, guys, is fossils. Fossils are dead remains, right? Bones, and we take them and we make fossil fuels out of dead plants and animals. So try to make that connection in your brain. All right, number 4. Give yourself a point for that. You should have 3. Let's do 2 more before we break for lunch, and then we'll come back. Okay, number 4. The cooling of water vapor in the atmosphere that changes it from a gas to a liquid. So you're thinking of water cycle, and you're in the atmosphere, the cooling of gas that changes it back to a liquid in the atmosphere. What would that be? That would be condensation. Yep, it's a gas, it's water vapor, but then it condenses and it turns into liquid water droplets. All right, you should have 4. Last one before lunch, and then we'll pick it up from there and do the other 30. Question number 5 is water from land that gathers in rivers, streams, lakes, and the ocean. What is that called? Water from the land that gathers in the streams and the rivers and the oceans.
Oh, got it. I got it. It popped in my brain. Wait, no. I forgot. Everyone studied this. Ready? It's this.
Answer? Collection. Absolutely. Leave your whiteboards out when we come back from lunch. We'll do the other 30.